So I purchased this Honda Ridgeline back in 2019. It was a 2017. Bought it certified pre-owned, and I have absolutely loved this truck more than anything. The all-wheel drive system on it is impeccable. It has never given me any problems, and this is one vehicle I recommend if you like driving a truck but don't need a big truck. So if you're looking to purchase a Honda Ridgeline, the Honda Ridgeline is more than equipped to handle most everything in the city. This doesn't show you that. No vehicles are on the road here, and they advise not for vehicles not to drive, but it handles it no problem. Thank you for watching.